Are you looking for advanced stem cell treatments? If you are from Egypt, India offers world-class medical care to help you reclaim your health. Stem cell therapy is emerging as a game-changer in modern medicine. These powerful cells uniquely regenerate damaged tissues, offering new hope for treating conditions like diabetes, heart diseases, neurological disorders, eye disease, organ, and even orthopedic conditions. Egypt is beginning to explore the potential of stem cell research, but challenges such as limited funding, regulatory issues, and public awareness slow progress. Meanwhile, many Egyptians look abroad for more advanced treatment options. India is a global hub for advanced and affordable stem cell treatments. With world-class medical facilities, expert doctors, and cost-effective procedures, it has become a preferred destination for many Egyptians seeking hope and healing. Stories of Egyptians who have undergone stem cell treatment in India highlight the incredible possibilities of this innovative approach. Patients suffering from neurological disorders, cardiovascular diseases, and even infertility have experienced remarkable recoveries. The future of medicine is here. By supporting research, raising awareness, and fostering global collaborations, we can unlock the full potential of stem cell therapy and offer hope to millions. Start your healing journey today. Contact us to book your consultation and experience the best stem cell therapy in India.